What's up guys, I'm Liam.
I'm Conan.
So we're trapped here because of the whole virus thing that's going on.
Yeah, and we realized since our restaurants are closed now, we have to start cooking.
So the big question is, Conan, do you know how to cook?
I have no idea. It took me 20 years to start making my first instant noodles. How about you, Liam?
Yeah, I'm not much better. I almost burned down your kitchen already a couple of times. So this should be quite the adventure.
Yeah, while we are at it, we thought we'll just make some YouTube videos in case some other folks out there are in the same shoes.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy microwave egg dish. Let's start. So we take out an egg, and so we put the egg into the bowl. I'm not very good at this. As you can see, it broke a little bit, which is what happens most of the time. And my robot is waking up. And then we make this egg yolk and white to mix as uniformly as possible. If you have a scramble device, you can use that, which probably will be better, but as you can see, I don't have a scramble device. Yeah.
That looks great. Thank you.
I'm sorry, you cannot see it. See, this is still slightly not super consistent. I measure my egg in a glass, which if you have a measuring cup. So this much egg, right? So water is till here. Okay, so now I pull the egg back. So now we have much more egg. And then we just put this into the, maybe okay. And this into the microwave for 2 minutes. Actually, let's try.
Morning.
So now we take this out and put in some sesame oil, which we just got, and seaweed.
Wow.
Ta-da! Done.
Egg time. That's a lot of water. Watch out, it's hot. Huh. Mmm.